Hey, it's H here, and today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. First, we'll look into the short time frame setups with classical technical analysis, and then we are going to jump into Elliott Wave, see if we have invalidated some counts and if some counts look better than others. So first, we are bouncing around from almost this. We just front run this 618 yesterday night, and I managed to get a long position here on a limit order. There was also a naked session point of control and a daily point of control. Let me show you. There we go. There was a daily from here around 16th of March, and above us we got a couple of different levels that we are going to be looking at. Currently there is going to be, let me close this one, there is going to be some resistance here around 40,980. There is another naked point of control and a daily level from the 21st March. Also, just by looking at this area, we can see on this larger time frame range there's really good support below us as well. And let's turn on these. So we got the range point of control down below around 38,800, and this is right in the middle of the golden pocket with a large amount of volume on either side, and that is most likely where we bounced right off of. Now what I'm expecting is one way move up here, and it looks like we're already doing it at the moment. It didn't alert me. I think I was off a couple of dollars. I was expecting some kind of pull up here a short time and then once more dump down a bit, but the reasons for that is because of Elliott Wave. So this is one possibility. We're just taking the count from all the way up top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there's a couple of different scenarios and possibilities how to look into this. Wave 3 extension is not at the 1.618, which doesn't make it too likely, but again it's not invalid. Wave 4 is not overlapping with wave 1 here, so that is certainly fine, and currently it looks like that we would be doing, if this count would be the right one, we'd be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We got a divergence here. Where are we at? Right here. Divergence here between these two guys, and then we should have a divergence between this peak or this low here and another one that would be forming down here. For that to happen, we would need to come below this low around 39.1k, around there, and hopefully we'll see another bullish divergence as well, bullish regular divergence between this higher time frame and this minuet count here. But that is what I'm actually waiting for now. There's another setup possibility for this to go. So let's take that into consideration. We had this possibility for WXY, created the X wave, and now we would be dumping downwards, and this would look like some kind of a 1-2 scenario. So again, here was the setup where we had the wave 3 was on the previous one that I showed you. The wave 3 was here, but this way we could manage to get the 1.618 down below, and let's see, where do I have the fibs? Right here. So this fib here, this pink, shows you that we almost got to the 2.236, which is usually the level for the wave 5 if none of the waves are extended. So it could be possible that this is the low, but the price action didn't really too telling down here. It didn't shoot off It actually just went up and even back tested the same area. So it wasn't too impulsive, at least to me. So that's why I'm thinking that this is the proper setup, and I'm waiting for the wave 4 here. The wave 4 here is placed just because of the retracement from the wave 3. So starting the retracement from top here to the bottom of here on wave 3. So we get this area around 41k and 43.1k. And anywhere on this area I would be accepting the wave 4. Obviously if we go higher and just manage to shoot up, the invalidation for this count say is around 44.3k. At this point wave 4 would be overlapping with wave 1 and invalidate this count. However, in that place we still could have that wave 4 wave 5 already done on a larger scale or larger degree that I showed you before. Now let's dig into other counts. Not this one. Yeah. So this is still in play. Whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it is some kind of ABC from here. It doesn't really look good, but this support here still is in play, and this could be, again, if this is the right count, this would be super bullish. Again, we would be expecting wave 1 higher here around 54k or something, and yeah, most likely taking out the liquidity here before taking a dump, at least a small dump for wave 2, before shooting up for the higher time frame degrees. And I think those are the main things. We had this diagonal as well, but this has been invalidated now. Why? Because the wave 4 came below this 1-to-1 extension of this leg here. So we had the invalidation. Let's see again. So invalidation is because wave 1 is obviously, it is smaller. Oh, sorry, it's larger than wave 3, which means wave 4 needs to be smaller than wave 2. And again, at that point, at that 1-to-1 area, that was invalidated. So this idea is invalid. So I'm still going to keep it just for seeing if there's another possibility somewhere here, or maybe just a bit different count. But yeah, I think those are the main ones that I wanted to show you. Again, on short time frame, I would be looking for these highs here around the 40.8k area, and then the below us levels would be around here at 38.4. Okay, I think that's going to do it for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and if you have another coin you would like me to analyze with Elliott Waves, let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, bye bye.